welcome to my channel. I am Mayank Mishra. In previous video, we have studied about the introduction to our new chapter, compositions of our planet. Now, in this video, we will study about the structures of the Earth. So we see through our eyes, just we see roads, railway tracks, trees, mountains, roads, mountains, valley, river, etc. But do you have ever think what's inside the Earth? What is inside the Earth? Suppose it's Earth. What is inside the Earth? So we will take a one V part of internal of the Earth. We will take, suppose it's a Earth. We will take a part of Earth. We will take an internal part of Earth, a V-shaped internal part of the Earth. Now this part is shown bigger here. This part is shown bigger here. So the Earth is divided into three layers: crust, mantle, and core. Crust, mantle, and core. Crust, mantle, core. The crust is made up of silica plus aluminium, and mantle is made up of silica plus magnesium, and core, the lowermost layer of the Earth, core. The core is made up of Nephe, which is nickel plus ferrous. Ferrous means iron. The Latin name of iron is ferrous. So in this video we will study about the more deeply about crust. So we will take the crust. We will take crust as here. The crust is shown bigger in here, this picture. So the crust is also divided into two parts: lower crust, upper crust, and lower crust. The lower crust, upper crust. In crust we found rocks, minerals. We found the crust is made rich in rocks and minerals. We see that the crust has silica plus aluminium. So where the silica and aluminium found? The silica and aluminium found in these rocks. These rocks are rich in silica and aluminium. These rocks are rich in aluminium. The crust is also called lithosphere. Lithosphere is the place where we live. Lithosphere is also called land. The crust is also called lithosphere. And do you know which gas is found more in the crust? The oxygen is found more in the crust. The oxygen is found more in the crust because we survive on the crust, lithosphere. We survive on Earth. If we don't get oxygen, so how do we survive? So the amount of oxygen is more in upper crust. So here we have some important topics, some more topics on crust. So let's read. Crust is made up of silica plus aluminium, as we have read here. Silica plus aluminium, which are found in rocks, and Cl. The crust is made up of silica plus aluminium, Cl. The short form of both of these is Cl. Cl is a learning trick. We can learn silica plus aluminium as Cl. This is a trick. The thickness of land is more than the ocean. This is a common that the land at which we are standing, but the oceans have more. The thickness of land is more than oceans, because suppose it is a land. And from here the water starts. The ocean is start, but the floor of ocean is here, where the water ends. The floor of ocean means the bottom of the ocean. I will explain you. Suppose if the box is filled with water. The box is filled with the water, full with the water, and the bottom part of the box will call its floor. The bottom part of the box will call its floor. So the ocean floor is here, and or water, but the land floor is here, and the ocean floor is here. So the land starts from here to here, but the ocean started from here and ends here. So the land has more thickness than the ocean floor. So the thickness of land is more than ocean. Crust is also called lithosphere. As we have read, the crust is also called lithosphere at which we live. As you can see here, we see buildings, trees, cars, etc. So the crust is also called lithosphere. The earth is divided into two parts. part, the continent, the land parts. But the oceanic crust means the oceanic, the floor of ocean crust. The floor of ocean is called oceanic crust, where the land starts in ocean. The land starts in ocean at the ocean's floor. So the continental crust means the land part of the earth. So as we have read, the thickness of land is more than the ocean. So the continental means land. So the thickness of continental crust will be more than the oceans. So this is right because the continental crust has 50 kilometers. The thickness of continental crust is 50 kilometers. But the thickness of oceanic crust is only 9 to 10 kilometers. But the continental crust has 40 to 45 to 50 kilometers. 45 to 50 kilometers. So I hope you have understand this topic crust. Now in our next video we will study about the mantle. Till then, thank you. Save tree, save earth.